There's a guide on how you can add a photo in a video in INSHOT. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. As you can see, we are in INSHOT right now, and this is the video that we have. Okay, this is the video. Now, in order to add a photo to it, you have to find the option that says PIP in this. Okay, as you can see in the middle, it says PIP, which stands for picture in picture. So you're going to click on this. After that, select the picture that you want to overlay on this. For example, I'm using this picture. After that, you'll see a lot of options around the picture. The first one is a red cross, which means you can remove the picture. Right next to it on the right, you will see a pencil mark. If you click on it, you can give a border to the picture, as you can see. And I'm going to do that. So let's just say this much. Okay. When you're done, click on the tick mark. After that, you will see an option in the bottom right of the picture. It's a diagonal arrow. Okay, you can hold on to it and you can enlarge the picture or rotate it. Okay, so let's just say we're going to do this. Okay, and yeah, after that, you get a few more options. Let's just say you want the picture to appear at exactly 2 seconds. So we're going to scroll this at exactly 2 seconds, as you can see in the bottom. After that, hold on to the picture, not in the screen, but on the editing page, like this. As you can see, I'm holding on to it. After that, align it with the white line. It clicks in, okay? And yeah, as you can see, if I play the video, it'll appear exactly at 2 seconds, okay? Now you can also manage the duration of the picture. For example, if I hold on to the right side of the picture, the right arrow, I can move it this way. I can make it 8 seconds long or 7 seconds or 5 seconds. You can just decide this. And yeah, there's a lot of options here as well. You can discover these out. And yeah, that's how you add a picture on a video in INSHOT.